Joining us now in a first on CNBC interview is AMC Entertainment Chairman and CEO Adam Aron. Adam, welcome back. Good to have you.
Always good to be with you, Sarah.
You were on fire last night on the conference call. It came out with a real message for all the haters and the critics about the death of movie theaters in a streaming world. I think called it cow dung. Tell us how you really feel.
Well, actually, what I said was a load of cow dung, and I thought I cleaned that up pretty nicely. You should have seen the first draft. Having said that, look, the point is that people have underestimated AMC for a long time now. People, I call it the conventional wisdom, which is so often wrong. People wrote with certainty that we were going to file for bankruptcy in 2020. We did not. People have been writing with certainty that there's no future for movie theaters in an era of streaming. You know the story. Radio was going to put us out of business. TV was going to put us out of business. VCRs are going to put us out of business. DVDs are going to put us out of business. Streaming is going to put us out of business. Guess what? In the fourth quarter of 2021, even with Omicron fears, 60 million people went to our theaters in the U.S., Europe, and the Middle East. 60 million people in 3 months. People want to go to movie theaters. The consumer's appetite for content is so voracious. The world is big enough for all of us. I'm very confident in AMC's future.
Well, what I don't think was predictable, though, Adam, at all, was the voracious appetite for your stock by the retail trader community, which did help bail you out at a critical time and made the financials look a lot better. You've got tons of cash. So on the box office numbers, where are we relative to pre-COVID levels? And you think we can get back to 100% of those levels this year?
Well, first, we're very grateful to those shareholders who rallied around AMC in 2021. They allowed us to raise a lot of money in 2021. We ended the year, the December 31 quarter, with $1.8 billion of cash or liquidity. That's a war chest that puts AMC in a very strong position. As for the box office, we were quite excited. Our revenues per patron in Q4 were 25% higher than they were in the fourth quarter of 2019 before the pandemic. Now, our attendance wasn't yet back to where we needed to be, but it was 60 million people. As we look at the box office for 2022, there are a lot of big movies coming, a lot of blockbusters coming. You got the Batman opening this week, Top Gun Maverick's around the corner, Jurassic World Dominion. It just goes on and on all year, all the way to Christmas when the sequel to Avatar comes out, Avatar 2. In inflation-adjusted dollars, Avatar originally was the largest movie of all time, still is, and its sequel is out after a long wait. We think the box office is going to nearly double in 2022 compared to 2021. Like, these are all encouraging signs. We're not fully out of the woods yet, but we have the resources to outlast this pandemic, and all the signs are positive.